During this pandemic, household chores have greatly increased, and most of the working women are having a lot of stress handling their work as well as their personal lives. I will be sharing with you few of the microwave cooking books which has helped me a lot to save my time. Let's explore few of them in the next section. Now, why should we prefer microwave cooking? Microwave cooking reduces lot of time required for those traditional Indian recipes. You can also reduce the oil quantity in those foods such as cutlets, chicken, fish. Microwave cooking reduces the heating ability of the food as well. So less time is required to heat the food. Also, it requires less energy as compared to the conventional ovens and stoves. Everything looks fine, right? So then what about the misconception? One of the misconceptions of microwave is the harmful radiations of microwave causes cancer. Is it? While it's true that microwave emits tiny amount of radiations, but they are not that harmful to cause you cancer. It will amount you damage to some extent of burns or cataracts only if these microwaves are damaged and throws large amount of radiations, which is very rare. So don't worry about those kind of misconceptions while having a healthy eating lifestyle. Let's explore the books now. उत्सुकता वाटते ना पुस्तकांबद्दल जाणून घ्यायला? पहिल्या प्रथम मी एका मराठी पुस्तकाबद्दल सांगू इच्छिते. हे ते पुस्तक मायक्रोवेव्ह ग्रिल कन्व्हेन्शन कुकरी गाईड बाय सोधा कुलकर्णी. खूप छान पुस्तक आहे मराठीमध्ये लिहिलेलं. त्यांनी खूप सुंदर पद्धतीने मायक्रोवेव्ह रेसिपीज करताना प्रिपरेशन काय काय करायचं, कशा कशा गोष्टी करायच्या ह्याबद्दल सांगितले. झटपट आयटम कसे बनतात ह्याच्या त्याबद्दल सांगितलं गेलं आहे. ऑफकोर्स आपले डेली आयटम्स नाश्त्याचे जे असतात पोहा, उपमा, ढोकला, खांडवी हे कसं करायचं ते सगळं त्यांनी खूप छान सुंदर एक्सप्लेन केलं आहे. परत ह्याच्यात बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्सबद्दल सुद्धा आहे. केक, बिस्किट्स ते मायक्रोवेव्हमध्ये कसे करतात, ग्रिल्ड आयटम्स पण कसे करतात ह्याबद्दल सांगितले आहे. आणि हो, तुम्हाला जर मायक्रोवेव्ह विकत घ्यायचा असेल त्याबद्दलचे जे बाईंग टिप्स हवे असतात ना एक्सप्लोअर करताना, तर त्याबद्दलही त्यांनी ह्याच्यात गायडन्स दिले आहे. हां, तर म्हणजे तुमचं शॉपिंगसुद्धा सुखकर होणार. मग म्हणजे काय करावं लागतं काय नाही ह्याचा गोंधळ नाही उडणार. म्हणजे नुसतंच एक कुकिंग बुक नाही आहे. हां, बाईंग टिप्स पण आहे त्याच्यात. नक्की आवडेल तुम्हाला हे पुस्तक. नक्की वाचा. मराठी भाषिकांसाठी तर खूप सुंदर आहे हे पुस्तक. चला आता इंग्लिशमधली काही पुस्तकं बघूया. हां, you must be wondering, there are lots of English cookbooks. How should we understand which one is right and which one is wrong? There is nothing right or wrong. It's just a matter of fact that who has written that book is all that matters. There is a famous author in cookbooks. Her name is Neeta Mehta. She has an MSc degree and a gold medal in food and nutrition. She has written a lot of cookbooks. Her recipes are very worth sharing and useful all over the globe. She has her first restaurant Kelong in Punjab and also has a cooking institute mentoring lots of youngsters. So let's explore two of her famous cookbooks. One is the vegetarian microwave recipes and the second is 101 microwave recipes. Why two different books? The first book talks about all the Indian recipes which we interact with and especially vegetarian dishes, even the eggless cake as well. Let me show you the book. This one. Now her cookbooks have lot of pictures as well. Look this, veggie pizza with the image. And yes, it is written in simple English, understandable language and in a short and precise manner. So you'll definitely like this book. So now what about the second book? This one, 101 microwave recipes. And why this book? This book also shares certain recipes in Thai and continental. Interesting, na? So that's why I found that these two cookbooks are very well useful for most of our Indian people who also likes to explore these continental and Thai dishes nowadays. So definitely everybody will think that this is really very nice to explore these books. So this is the famous author who is writing about it. So definitely you should explore those books. And she has also mentioned about certain kind of microwave cooking tips into it. So interesting facts are shared into this book. You will definitely like it. So this is my take about microwave cooking and the books on that. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a healthy eating lifestyle. Bye-bye.